Another hurdle all school districts are trying to overcome is absenteeism. Lawmakers attempted to solve the problem last session, but are now rethinking their fix. WHO 13's Zach Fisher explains why.
Iowa lawmakers passed a bill to address chronic absenteeism in schools, but now charges are piling up in Polk County and around the state, and they're looking to reverse course.
This bill is a result of hearing feedback.
I'm going to thank you for going back and rectifying a horrible piece of legislation in the first place.
My goodness, it even made it in the condition of the guard speech.
We request an exception to the current chronic absenteeism law.
Chronic absenteeism is defined as a student missing 10% of a grading period. 15% requires school engagement meetings and a mail notice to the county attorney and guardian. 20% is when the county attorney will file charges.
The goal is not to punish parents. The goal is to keep kids in class, get them in class, and ultimately dismiss any charges.
The amount of Central Iowan parents facing prosecution for chronic absenteeism has increased significantly in 2 months. Des Moines Public Schools has 72 parents in truancy court. West Des Moines has 19. Ankeny Community Schools 12. Johnston 6. Sadell 5 parents. And Southeast Polk and Urbandale have 2 parents each, bringing the total charged by the Polk County Attorney to 118 as of February 10th. There were only a total of 15 charged in Polk County in December of last year.
My initial thought is that obviously the intent is working. We're getting at some of those parents and children. But my question is, are they all for the right reason? So this allows the school district to determine that reason.
In the House chamber, Speaker Grassley says the door's not closed on fixing the current law.
I'd be open to that conversation. I think we have to be thoughtful in how we do that and make sure that we are providing that local level flexibility.
The new bill in the Senate gets rid of school engagement meetings if the students' grades are good, no more mail notices to guardians, and the bill also clarifies that absences for military applicants' funerals and weddings are excused. School leaders are eager to see some refinement to give schools more control and shoulder less of the burden.
I think that's where it got a little bit clunky for folks, is just some of the requirements within that law, the expectations in terms of the number of meetings, in terms of the mailings, in terms of all that. There was a considerable amount of time spent on that.
Now, with the bill moving out of the Education Committee in the Senate, it's eligible for floor debate. Now, there's not a companion bill in the Iowa House, but there's still a long time left in the session. At the Iowa State House, Zach Fisher, WHO 13 News.
For West Des Moines Community Schools, the district's chronic absenteeism rate is down, actually, 4.3% from last school year to this school year.